This keyboard and screen cleaning kit has a lot of features. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Let's do a quick unboxing. You get a microfiber cleaning cloth, instructions, and the kit itself, it has a retractable brush. The bottom contains cleaning spray and a replaceable polishing cloth. There are 2 replaceable cloths. Here's a quick demo. You can see my screen is pretty dirty. I'll take the spray. I'll get this clean. Wow. Oh my goodness, it is spotless. That worked so well. If needed, I can use the microfiber cloth. Frankly, that did the job, but I'll just do it anyway. iPad isn't too bad, but I'll give it a go. Yeah, works good. I like how everything conveniently stores in the bottom compartment. Let's clean some keyboards. This keyboard has seen better days. That does a great job. These bristles really reach down and remove the dust and loose particles. Much better. This is also small and lightweight, very portable. You can throw it in your bag, keep it in your closet, put it in a drawer. You can even put it in the pocket if you want. I think this will be one of those items where you don't think you'll use it that often, but you will end up using it a lot more than you originally thought.